guys, it's Matt from GolfCartingTV. I'm here with Austin from Ace Performance, and they have built what I think is probably the most insane gym car. Not probably, it is.
Yeah, it's pretty rad.
The most insane gym car I've ever seen.
Crazy front end. I mean, everything drops to that ground. Massive dual cylinder wheel wood to stop this beast. I mean, this thing got some weight to it. I mean, it's probably a little over 2,000 pounds. So yeah, this is all of our AccuAir system. So it's all on a Chad Chris design. We 3D printed that whole center console. Each bag is individually controlled, or you can do both fronts at the same and both rears at the same. We even, on my air gauges set up here, so those are fully functional.
Okay.
They just used to have the old like halogen, like yellow looking bulbs. I custom made some green LEDs, so when you turn those on, they're all green.
That's awesome.
Because everything's fitting, you know. So we obviously got a 4-wheel setup in the rear. It's true 6x6, you know, both axles are powered. These are our new Navitas IPM motors. So these things are pushing a lot of power. Dual controllers here. Dual bolt, you know, really need all that extra battery and power to push these things. The 8-inch bags that lift this thing, I mean, you got almost 100 pounds of pressure in each bag to lift this thing. The whole Watts link, you know, so when you put this thing up and down, it all spins and keeps everything aligned so nothing goes left or right. Found a wing that was on a Peterbilt, you know, a big old semi, and it was 8 foot wide when we started, and it was really beat up. So honestly, I rebuilt the whole thing, but I bought one to get the idea of how to build it I wanted. So we reskinned the whole thing, put new caps, we cut it down to 66 inches.
So there's stuff inside there.
Yeah, mainly just lights, honestly. Lights, and then the stuff for my tail lights and things like that.
Speakers.
Yep, we got tower speakers off the back. Crazy, I mean, these are almost 15 and a half inch wheels. Wide tires.
And you've actually driven it on the road, like
yeah, we had it up to 55, and I didn't want, you know, because we were on a time crunch anyway. I didn't want to break anything.
Sure. I mean, let's start with Ace. Did a fantastic job on this mega build. You know, they took a gem car and you know made it extreme. It you know, to bring people to our booth and to really talk about Navitas. You know, the vehicle is highlighting our TAC3 IPM control and IPM motors. These controllers and these motors have more torque than AC, more efficient than AC. Really, it's going to be the future for OEMs to move to this technology.
Okay.
From here, we're taking it north to the Canadian International Auto Show. Again, you know, we're going to expand our markets. We're going to start selling into the automotive base as well. So we want to prove out larger vehicles with the Navitas brand.
This thing is freaking fantastic. Thank you for taking the time, and obviously all the time you put into it. So cool to see you guys coming together and putting this thing off.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks, brother. It's been a fun one. It's crazy. Definitely one of one. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Congratulations. This is so cool.
Thanks, man. Thanks.